Orthodox is what we in Hindi call Rudivati. Being orthodox is being traditional, being conservative, and not being open to new ideas. To be orthodox means पुराने ideas को चिपके रहना. Girls should not go to school. Love marriage is a wrong thing. Girls should cover their face with a burqa. If someone believes in all these things, we can say that he is very orthodox in his outlook. Another good usage, he challenged the political orthodoxy of his time. उसने अपने टाइम की पॉलिटिकल ऑर्थोडॉक्सी को पुरानी विचारधारा को चैलेंज किया. Now let's have the usage from the clipping.
You can definitely see similarities in their details of their teeth, peculiar features that they share with modern armadillos, modern tree sloths, and actually modern anteaters.
The discovery of fossils was a huge challenge to the religious orthodoxy of Darwin's youth.
The discovery of fossils was a huge challenge to the religious orthodoxy of Darwin's youth. So जो fossils की discovery थी वो directly prove करती थी कि चर्च और बाइबल गलत है. ये fossils directly बाइबल की वर्ल्ड की origin की theory को contradict करते थे. So it was a huge challenge to religious orthodoxy of Darwin's youth. Orthodox, रूढ़िवादी, हिसड्डी, पुराने विचारधारा वाला. Hopefully we are getting the meaning here.
I'm a OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side.